Hi friends, welcome back to another video. My name is Ruth Karitha if you're new to my channel. So I vlog about lifestyle, life in Dubai, all that. So on today's video I am thinking I should cook with you guys. So it's currently 12. I'm starving, so I'll whip up something. I don't know what I have, but whatever that is available is what I'll use. So I'll make something for lunch, and then after that I'm going to insert videos that I vlogged while we were at Dubai Mall, me and my friends. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I hope you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so that every time I upload a new video you'll be notified. Other than that, I'm really grateful for the love that you guys have shown me on my previous video. I'm really grateful for the people who were referred here by my friends and actually came and commented. I really appreciate you. And yeah, so as usual, don't forget to subscribe. Again, I'll keep saying this. I know it gets to a point it's annoying to hear it all the time, but we have to. So kindly subscribe, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
To be honest, friends, I ended up getting so ill that I didn't record anything, but I was able to record another video of me cooking. I still didn't have anything in the fridge, so I was working with what I had, and this was me showing you the ingredients, as you can see. So this pot had frying oil in it that was supposed to fry the potatoes, and then on this other pot I had minced beef. So that is what I was gonna have for lunch stroke dinner, because on this particular day I was cooking at around 3. So I fried the potatoes, I had the meat going, cooking in its own juices, and I was trying to multitask, honestly. Like I was really trying to record and cook at the same time. So this was supposed to be my salad, the cucumbers, tomatoes and onions. And I was showing you whatever I was going to use for my salad dressing, which is the apple cider vinegar, this salad herb, mix of herbs that I have, salt, and of course black pepper. So on this mixture I was supposed to add lemons as well, but I didn't have them and I was not gonna stress. So this was me mixing the salad dressing, which is olive oil. This is the apple cider vinegar. I think this was equivalent to 2 tablespoons. I'm not really sure, but I think this is the herbs. It's basically a mixture of coriander. Is it thyme or I don't know, guys. I just don't know how to pronounce these things, but it's thyme, basil, coriander, and then some salt, and then I mixed it with a spoon, and then I ended up pouring this on my salad. And by the way, I added some lettuce. Is it lettuce? Lettuce? I don't know, guys, honestly. So just bear with me, but for me I call them lettuce. So I ended up mixing all the ingredients, and then we back to the meat, some butter, some garlic. Honestly, it was delicious. It was very creamy. I think the butter did something to this meal. It was very creamy. It was was nice. It was delicious. I just don't know the word to use other than delicious. So yeah, our meal is ready. I ended up adding the potatoes and coriander, and then I served myself some. And yeah. As usual, I need to show you something fascinating each time I vlog. So we came to Ikea and we have these lockers that you can actually put a pin and lock up some of the stuff that you had on your handle. You know, like for instance, if you bought other stuff from other shops, instead of carrying them around the store, you can literally lock them up on these lockers and put a password and then go on with your business. After you're done shopping, you can come back and open your lockers and grab your stuff. How cool is that, guys? So I was just showing So friends, I was just trying to show you the different sections here in Ikea, and so far I'd shown you the kitchen section where we were choosing cups, and then we went on to the lighting section where we were looking for chandeliers, but I didn't stop. Then we went ahead to come to this section where they had wide varieties of vases and also fake plants. And honestly, I was here for a minute. My friends were getting really pissed, but I was just loved how everything was categorized, how different plants were arranged and organized according to sizes. And yeah, this was me just showing you everything. So we prioritized going to Ikea because there was a massive sale, and we wanted to do some shopping. Not me, my friend. So I took her there, but then we ended up going to Dubai Mall as planned, and this was us in the taxi. And honestly, guys, I just couldn't help it but record this view. How amazing does Dubai look at night? This was just stunning. But the unfortunate thing is I didn't show you guys when we went shopping to Dubai Mall because we were in such a rush and we wanted to come to the Dubai fountain, as you can see, because there was a show happening for the dancing water.